Alright, today I'm working on these rotor rims. They have Plasti dip on them, and this one I did by hand. It was not cool, so I'm gonna try my best to get these off. And I researched, supposedly WD-40 will help take this off, so I'm gonna spray some on, leave them on for like 15-20 minutes, and hose them down. Alright, I got some WD-40 and just gonna soak them. Alright, so this is what it looks like under that Plasti dip. It's kind of a nice machine face. I did end up going to a car wash where they have a pressure washer, and did the best I could to take all the Plasti dip off after soaking it in WD-40. This one was a little bit of a difficult one, and then I ran out of time, so now I'm just kind of taking off like the inner spokes. As you can see, what's nice is you could kind of just rub it off. I don't know if you can see, just like that. So it's gonna take a while for me to completely take all this off. Just like that. And yeah, I guess WD-40 works. There's a lot of other methods out there to take off Plasti dip, but I think this is so far so good. Alright, just about done cleaning off all the Plasti dip. Came out super nice. I love this machine face. I have the other rims in there. This is my EK hatchback. She's a little dirty right now because it rained last night. But I'll be putting those rims on here and finally getting rid of the super nice Steelies. Steelies don't look bad, but I can't wait to put those on. They're 16 by 7, I believe. She's gonna be sitting pretty high once I install the new rims, because these are like 14s. All right, here they are, all done. All the Plasti dip came off with a little bit of elbow grease. There's the EK. I was gonna paint the spokes white, but I'm kind of feeling this machine face look with the polished lip. Wow. Fitment is pretty fire. Alright, all done. The rims are finally on. Fitment's looking good. Not too low, not too high. I am in love.